This picture shows us how to make an order in a restaurant. The first stage starts with Table 1 and Table 2. When the customers want to order, they use their smartphones to make it. After that, all the orders are transmitted to a computer, which has a blue display. Then the order from Table 1 drives a receipt maker on the bar, and a bowl of rice is served. And Table 2 is served with a bottle of wine. The process explains how an order is made and completed.
This line chart gives information about collapse of Atlantic cod stocks. From the picture we can see in 1900, the value is 200,000. In 1950, the value is higher, which is 300,000. The highest number is in 1970, and it is 800,000, and the lowest one is in 1992, just 0. To sum up, the line chart tells about collapse of Atlantic cod stocks.
This picture gives information of food pyramid. We can see rice and water in the top of the pyramid. Below rice and water, there comes bread. Lower, we can see vegetables, including carrot and broccoli, and fruits, including orange and lemon. When it comes to the bottom of the pyramid, milk, grape, ham, and cake are found. The pyramid is to say that people should eat as many kinds of food as possible to stay healthy. To sum up, the graph tells about food pyramid. This picture gives information of human skeleton. We can see the skull in the top of the picture. Below the skull there comes mandible. Lower, we can see clavicle, followed by ribs. When it comes to arms, we can see radius and phalanges. Then the pelvis is above legs. Femur and patella are in the legs. To sum up, the graph tells about the human skeleton.
This picture gives information of a green trash can. There are many kinds of waste, which include fruits, paper-made packaging, leftovers, and so on. The fruits include banana, apple, orange, and pear. The leftovers include a bowl of noodle and a carton of milk. Besides, we can see some leaves, a price tag, and a spoon. To sum up, the graph tells about a trash can.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.